My God, look at that, very windy. And it's snowing. Darling, it's snowing. Look at that, it's so cold. Very cold. I intended to water my plant and then suddenly change the weather. Oh, look at that, guys, it's snowing. Hmm? Look. Look at the weather. Oh my goodness. Very windy. Hmm. Oh my God, my plant, darling. My plant is falling down, my daffodils. The wind blow it. Oh my God, guys, it's very windy. Look at this. Here. And there is snow, a little bit snow. And this, my plant, it blow by the wind. You sit there. And this, the wind blow it. Where I'm gonna put it? Maybe I'll put it here on this side. I'll put it here on this side. It's very windy. Ooh. Look at that wind. Ooh. Very windy, very windy. Outside. It's snowing. Little bit of snow. Supposed to water the plant, but very windy and it's snowing outside. Darling?
Very windy.
Yeah, very windy.
And cold.
And cold. You having this? What's this?
Rice cake.
Rice cake, salt and vinegar. Oh, can you give me one, darling, please? Thank you. Have some. What is this? What can you call it?
Snackerjack.
Snackerjack. Salt and vinegar flavor. Mmm. Mmm. Sour. Nice. But it melts in your mouth too quickly, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Do you want to try the Easter egg orange flavor?
Excellent.
It's so good. I like vinegar. Oh, the snow is still tiny, little. But very windy and it's cold. Look at that. I was zooming. Look at that snow, little flaky. Little flaky snow. Oh. Flaky, huh?
On my jacket.
Look at the snow in your jacket is starting now. Maybe tonight it's gonna be heavier.
I don't think so.
Huh?
I hope not.
It's so cold. So cold, cold, cold. Ne-
There's blue sky there.
Huh?
There is blue sky.
Oh yeah, there blue sky. And then here gray sky. Where's the blue sky? Look at that. Blue sky and then gray sky. Gray sky.
Snow cloud.
Snow cloud. Okay. Look at that, my daffodils. Oh, that is my daffodils.